Hello, this is Fernando Cajal. I am the International Sales Director for GESAB Control Rooms, and we are here exhibiting in ISE 2022, and we are showing our latest version, 3.0 of the DeskWall KVM solution, and as well as our technical furniture for control rooms. And in terms of the KVM solution, we are showing the latest version, as I told you, which is a very flexible IP-based KVM. Also with our latest video wall controller, the DataWall, and our API tool, which is an automation tool for control rooms as well. I think that's... For more information, you can contact us at www.gesab.com.